Our presenters consist of 4 people: Magdalyn Jodin Majihil 08 DEU 22F 1020, Nur Farah 08 DEU 22F 1110, Umi Kalsom 08 DEU 22F 1108, and Nur Shameera 08 DEU 22F 114. According to our presentation outline, we will be teaching you 4 things today. 5.2 will be presented by Shameera, 5.3 will be presented by Farah, 5.4 will be presented by Umi, and lastly 5.5 will be presented by Magdalyn. So let's start with the introduction. What is vector and scalar? Well, vector and scalar is a quantity that has both a magnitude and a direction, represented by an arrow, the length of which is proportional to the magnitude and the direction of which indicates the direction of the quantity. Vectors can be represented in relation to one another.
Next, we have get to know vector and scalar. So we have formula for magnitude vector and unit vector, then operations on vector, and then we have scalar dots products of vector, and the last one is we have vector cross products of vector.
5.2 Magnitude vector and unit vector. We present the magnitude vector using theorem Pythagoras. Okay, this is example. Okay, we know that O to A is 2, 4, the coordinate. So vector A equal to xi and yj. So this is I and this is j. Okay, so xi plus yj. Vector A equal to square root x square plus y square. Like calculate modulus formula. Alright? Okay, next. O to A equal to square root 2 square plus 4 square. So we get 20 square root. So the answer is 4.472. Okay? Okay, now we go to our question. Okay, the question is, Ali want to score gold. Find the unit vector of S. Okay, given the vector S equal to 5i minus 3j, find the unit vector of S. Okay, first, the solution is P to S equal to, like I say before this, we use modulus calculation. Okay, so P to S equal to square root 5 square plus 3 square. So we get square root 34. So the last answer is 5.831. That's all.
The next thing you need to know is 5.3, addition and subtraction of vectors. I will be teaching you how to calculate these following questions. Before we start, we must multiply the digit in front, which is 3 and 2 in this case, with the w and v vector. The number 3 should be written before the bracket. After that, you can write the w vector inside the bracket. Write the positive operation on the question down. After that, write the number 2 from the question before opening a bracket for v vector. This is the most important part. Make sure to multiply the number 3 with the digits inside the brackets. You should also be careful when multiplying the positive inside the operations. Now write down all the calculations that you have done. As you can see, positive multiplied by positive should be positive. Positive multiplied by negative is negative. And positive multiplied by positive is positive. Organize the vectors so that you won't get confused. Lastly, you can just add them all together and you'll finally get your answer. As you can see, for subtraction, we have v minus w. First of all, write down the given vector for v. Write down the subtraction from the question above. Write vector W after opening a bracket. As you can see, when an alphabet is alone, it actually represents number 1. You must multiply the negative inside the operations. Be careful when doing this. Write down the calculations you have done. Negative multiplied by positive should be negative, and negative multiplied by negative should be positive. After you're done, organize the vectors. Lastly, calculate the remaining vectors and you'll have your answers.
Now is 5.4. Scalar dot products of vector. I will be teaching you how to calculate the following equation. Example given is O vector OA is equal to 4i plus 7j minus 2k, and vector OB is equal to 5i plus 3j plus 2k. Now, question A. Vector A dot vector B. So just apply the formula scalar product. 4 multiply 5 plus 7 multiply 3 plus negative 2 multiply 2. So we get 20 plus 21 minus 4. The answer is 37. Then we go to the next question. B. We have to calculate vector. We have to calculate vector A multiply vector A is equal to magnitude A squared. We have to prove that. So we have to calculate the vector A multiply vector A first. So 4 multiply 4 plus 7 multiply 7 plus negative 2 multiply negative 2. So we get the answer is 16 plus 49 plus 4. So the answer is 69. Then we have to calculate magnitude A squared. Square root 4 squared plus 7 squared plus minus 2 squared. Then to the A squared. Square root 16 plus 49 plus 4. So then square root 69. Then we get the answer is 69. So therefore, vector A dot vector A is equal to magnitude A squared. So that's the final answer.
Hi everyone, my name is MAGDELYN. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the cross product between vector A and B using this formula. Remember the last time we used to learn determine matrix on other topic? Yeah, we'll use that on this topic too to find the answer. Very easy. I'm going to show you at the next video.
First thing first, we write down the vector A and vector B. And after that, we change vector A and AP into a determined matrix. And then we make 3 groups for I, J, and K, like in the video. If you're confused to make the grouping, just follow like what I did in the video. After that, we combine the all number and we multiply it. And lastly, that's how we will get our answer. Thank you.
Next, we have conclusion. Vector and scalar is very important in our daily life and in engineering. Vector and scalar are used in engineering mechanics to represent quantities that denote a magnitude and direction. Vector and scalar also is used in mechanics to explain and predict physical phenomena.
Okay, last but not least, we have question and answer for you guys too. So that's all from us and thank you for watching.